friends, this is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to this video. This is a video for April 2021 predictions. We are going to do sun sign based predictions in this video. So there will be series of 12 sun sign based predictions which I'll be releasing in Hindi as well as in English on my channel Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram as well as Facebook, because on Instagram also I do keep on releasing a lot of pick a card readings and lot of topics which I cover under the tarot segment. Also do keep sharing your comments, sharing your insights, sharing your experiences from these readings. That it really helps me to improvise. I have launched a new brand called Astro Vruksha by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream brand. So I offer integrated destiny management solutions under this brand, and I already have released a video which is talking in detail about what this brand offers. So do check out that video. I'll be placing a card over here which you can so that you can check that video and know a little more about the brand. I'm also going to mention it at the end of the video, where I'll be putting in a slide so that you know what all services I offer under that brand. So without wasting too much of time, let us quickly jump into this video. I also just quickly I would like to mention that for Astro Vruksha also I have a YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook group and a Facebook page. I'm inviting all of you to join Facebook group because it is a unified group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksha by Shefali, which is a parent brand now. So now quickly jumping to this video, let's see what is in cards for your sun sign. Hi Taurians, let's see what's in cards for you for April 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have contract energy surrounding you. So this energy is suggesting that you are going to enter into some legal litigation or legal contract or legal deal or legal battle in the coming month, in this month rather. And it could go in your favor, but you will have to be a little careful because there could be a duality in the decision. So just be a little careful, doubly careful while dealing with the financial or legal matters, to be specific. Coming to your relationship, we can see Four of Pentacles in the relationship, upright position. So somewhere you are holding on to some relationship unwantedly. So basically these relationships, these memories, these situations are not doing good to you. They are making you stagnant. They are making you stable in a wrong way in your life. And they are not letting you move on in your relationship. So that is really bothering you and cluttering your mind, obstructing your growth in the relationship and emotional segment. These could be good memories, some of these could be bad memories. The best way is to fight it out and move on with your own mind, because that is the only way you can shield yourself against any negativity that these memories or these relationships might bring you. Only when you let them go, fight it out and let them go, then you will be able to move on in your relationship. Letting go is again the message over here in terms of health, because you are experiencing this blockage in relationship, leading to blockage in your emotional and psychological health. Coming to your career, we have Fool card in the reverse position. So somewhere you are expecting new growth, creative opportunities, some new ideas, some new business opportunity or a job opportunity, or some positive and novel growth in your career or skill set, but that is looking blocked because of the time or a situational factors. So here the message for you is, though you are experiencing this blockage, though you are experiencing the fire of the situation, or though you are experiencing the heat of the situation, you are still protected by this blanket. So though you are experiencing the tough time which is grooming you into a better career person or a evolved career person, you are still protected. So be assured that you will sail through this phase. Coming to your finances, we can see that some family finances here are in danger. Either you have made some wrong decisions, investment decisions in past, or you are planning some decisions which are wrong decisions in future. So just be doubly careful, extra careful while taking any decisions in terms of your family assets especially. So condition yourself that you can take care of your financial health. Whatever anybody is advising, don't go blindly. Know your strength, know your might. If necessary, postpone any decision related to your financial planning regards to your family, and that will help you. Coming to your health, we have Emperor in the upright position, which is suggesting that you are in control with your health. You're following a particular routine, particular discipline. You are guided by the right authority in terms of your healthcare. If needed, you will get the right support in your healthcare. Just you'll have to let go some past memories, emotions, which will help you revive faster. So angels are suggesting wherever you feel stuck, wherever you feel you're not able to solve the problem, just connect with your divine self, with your God, whichever energy you believe on, and try to put your question to the universe, and universe will respond back with the answers through synchronicities, dreams, messages, or guidance from somewhere or the other in the universe. So universal light is totally supporting you. So ask for help if you are in need for help, and you will get your answers. So I hope this reading helps you, Taurians. Very good luck to you. So friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Wherever you feel there is need of more help or more personalized reading, you can connect with me on my email ID or on my mobile number, or WhatsApp me on my number. You can put me an Instagram message or a Facebook message. I'm very active there, and I will reply back at the earliest. So don't forget to follow me on these platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as well as Facebook group, which is named under Astro Vruksh by Shefali. I would request you to share these videos with your friends, families, colleagues, so that they can also get benefit out of these free readings and they can also plan their life better. Do share your feedback in terms of comments, in terms of queries. If you feel stuck somewhere, you can connect with me either personally or on my YouTube channel. Please stick to the context of tarot reading or astro advice. Okay, so that is one request I would like to make. I'm thanking all the subscribers for being along the journey, and I would like to invite more subscribers to join us so that we can help each other, and I can help you more in my capacity and regularly, so that you can get the guidance out of it. And I hope this month goes well for you. Thank you guys. Very good luck to you.